Mistral AI versus ChatGPT. So Mistral AI is a European AI company focused on building open-weight large language models. So it emphasizes transparency, community use, and enterprise adoption without the vendor lock-in. Now let's talk about its pros and cons. For the pros, it is open-weight models. It is also customizable. It offers enterprise-friendly and lock-in to a single ecosystem. It also has a strong multilingual performance, and they have an active research approach, which rapid releases of high-quality models. The cons is though, it is not as user-friendly. It is also no consumer-facing app, and they have a smaller ecosystem compared to ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT, on the other hand, is OpenAI's consumer-facing AI assistant, powered by GPT family of the models. It's widely known for its ease of use, integration, and accessibility. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. For the pros, it is extremely user-friendly. It is also having an ecosystem integration. They have a strong performance and it's also accessible to all. They have a free and paid plans available. And they also make constant updates, which means it regularly improves capabilities and adds features. The cons though, they are closed source, so models are proprietary, not downloadable. They also are vendor lock-ins, so it's tied to OpenAI and it has a limited customization, so the fine-tuning options are not as open as Mistral. So overall, both Mistral and ChatGPT are powerful, but choose Mistral AI if you want an open-weight, customizable model, and choose ChatGPT if you want a ready-to-use, user-friendly AI assistant.